to our second session, and for our second session we are going to study Blueprint 2. Now everyone, please prepare your textbook Blueprint 2 and let's start. We are going to study Unit 2 Small Talk, pages 24 and 25. But before that, we will going to review vocabulary words. And for our new lesson for today is from Lesson 3, Tall and Thin. Part C, About You, and Part D, Grammar. Now before we proceed to our new lesson everyone, let's have a quick review about vocabulary words. Okay everyone, we have 9 vocabulary words in here. As you can see everyone, this is also has a picture. You can also check page 24. So first is sibling. The second one is fat. Third is thin. Fourth is friendly. 5 is shy. 6 is serious. 7 is intelligent. 8 is smile, and 9 is laugh. So this is our review vocabulary words. Now for our new lesson everyone, Lesson 3, Tall and Thin. Part C, About You. This is on page 24. Part C. Choose 2 members of your family. Write 2 adjectives to describe each of them. Don't use the same adjective twice. You know adjective, right? To describe a person. Now you have person 1, who you need to write who's that person. Talks about what he or what she like. So 2 different adjectives. Person number 2, write down who's that person. The same as person 1, you have to write 2 different adjectives. Now practice this describing each family member to a partner. So since you don't have a partner everyone, just send your answer to your teacher's personal telegram or in your group. And record your voice telling about your family members. Okay everyone? That is our first session, Part C, About You. Next for our Part D, Grammar, we are going to talk about this one. Questions with any and how many object pronouns. So we have example dialogue in here. Do you have any pens? Yes, I do. How many pens do you have? Only 1. Oh well, can I borrow it for a second? Alright, so let's talk about this short dialogue. Sometimes any goes before a noun. It means more than 0 or nothing or none. Answer on any questions with yes or no only. So like this one. Do you have any pens? Yes, I do. So you have to answer only yes or no, okay? Next, in questions, how many goes before a noun? Answers a how many questions with a number. So if the question is how many pens do you have? Only 1. I have only 1, or you can say I have 2. Like that. So you have to mention the number of this question. You have to answer with number to these questions. Now, let's proceed to our third example. After a verb, it is an object pronoun. In this conversation, it means the 1 pen. So here, oh well, can I borrow it? So where's the object pronoun in there? It, correct. for a second. So that is our question with any and how many object pronouns. So take a look everyone to our chart. Object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. You know me. Do you trust me? So use an use an object pronoun only when the listener or reader knows the main noun. So here's the question. You know me. Do you trust me? The listener knows me. Me is the person talking. Next is, he likes that book. Can he have it? The listener knows it is that book. The speaker says that book in the previous sentence. Next is that Jim? Give him the key. The listener knows that him means Jim, so a person. The speaker mentioned Jim in the previous sentence. Now, for our fourth and final example, Clara. There is a phone call for you. Clara knows that you means Clara. The speaker calls her name before saying you. So this is our lesson for today, Part B, Grammar. Now for your exercise, everyone, fill in the gaps with the correct object pronouns. Don't forget to finish this exercise, everyone, also with your classwork and your homework, and send back your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. So that's the end of our second session, everyone, and 2 lessons, Speaking Tutor 1A and Blueprint 2. I hope that you will learn a lot today's lesson, and I'll see you again tomorrow, everyone. Goodbye!